Hey guys, thanks for joining. Make sure you hit that like button and make sure you subscribe if you want to see more. Today I will be opening a few packs of the latest Pokemon card series, Billion Stars. So here we are. We're going to open them up. We're going to see if we got, and let's see if we can get ourselves one of those chase cards, the Charizard or better. So here we go. Let's open up some Brilliant Stars. Alright, first pack up. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Come on, what are you doing? White code card. Code card on the screen for you guys. Let's do a little pack magic here. See what we got. 2, 3, 4 to the front. And let's go for it. We got a Water Energy, a Primplup, Shinsino, Cleansing Gloves, Chimecho, Chimchar, Mincino, a Baltoy, a Snorunt, and a Reverse Hollow Clank. I'll put that in a separate pile. And we have also Lipard. He's telling lies, sweet little lies. All right, so let's get to the next pack. Okay, pull these out for you guys. Another white code card on screen. Here we are for the code card. Fighting Energy is my guess. No, it is Psychic Energy. Trainer, the Cafe Master. Gabite, Grottle, Riolu, Burmy, Staryu, Carablast, Clefairy, Reverse Hollow Sneasel, and Escavalier. Escavalier. Let's see here. Let's try out another one. Okay. Actually, I don't want to keep those there. Let's put those off the screen. All right. So we got a black code card on this one. Code card is up for anybody who wants the code. Fire Energy. Gabite again. Trainer, Gloria, Starvia, Mincino, Baltoy, Snorunt, Nosepass, the Detonate, and for the Reverse Hollow we have Sherby, and we have a full art Raikou card there, looking nice. Our first full art of the pull, so we're going to give that a little different space to sit in. And next pack. Here we are. We have a white code card. Code card on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Steel Energy. Hunting Gloves. Weevil. Fracture. Clink. Spirit Bomb. Axew. Epidemic. Magmar. Vaporeon. Character card. So we're going to put this to the side just in case we get more, but Luxray is our non-hollow rare. Luxray is our non-hollow rare. Let's go for another one. Okay. Black code card on the screen. You know that means we're getting something, at least a hollow. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water Energy. No, it is Leaf. We have a Claydol, Arcerola's Premonition, Pot Helmet, Chimchar, Mincino, Baltoy, Snorunt, Nosepath, the Boss's Orders. And we have an Empoleon Hollow as well. Put all those together. Let me just scrap these up. Put these in a little better place. All right, next pack. Oh, I forget the card trick. Where white code card on screen. There you go, guys. We have a Breloom, a Dusclops, the Arctic, Trainer Roseanne's backup, Nose Pass again, the Dedney, Cubchoo, Shinx, Farfetch, V-Star, and a pot helmet for the reverse hollow. Those seemed a little bit out of place. Maybe it's just me. They seem like they were a bit out of order. Next pack. So far, nothing really hard hitting, I'll tell you that. White code card is on the screen. Steel Energy, Hunting Gloves, Weevil, Fracture, Farfetch, Execute, Grimer, Clefairy, Bidoof, Clink for our reverse hollow, and Alchemy for our rare at the end. All right, now I'm going to be opening the cardboarded ones up. Cardboarded ones. I don't need this. Came out of trash. So. I do like to show the color of the code first, so it is definitely a white code card. Code is on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. It is a Psychic Energy. No, it's water. Bad guess. Primplup, Sharon's Care, the Arctic, Milcery, Cubchoo, the Dedney, Farfetch, Duskull, Baltoy Reverse Hollow, and Staraptor as the rare non-hollow. I didn't mean to bust the pack open like that. That's why I like opening it closer to me, but fine. We have white code card on screen. Card is 4 to the front. Fighting Energy, Grottle, Pinplup, Inferno, Piplup, Shroomish, Purlian, Duskull, Sneasel, Dusclops, Reverse Hollow, and for the rare, I wish it was holographic, but it is a non-hollow, Mewtwo non-hollow for the rare. I'm gonna open it off screen because I don't want to tear my pack like that again. I might put these back in their pack, so I need to stay in the best order I can. All right, here we go. There we are, finally a black code card on the screen, you guys. Here you go. Boom, enjoy that. 4 to the front. Psychic Energy, Clang, Torkoal, Double Turbo Energy, Cherubi, Sulk, Corpish, Golett, Trapinch, Dredugon non-hollow, and Hollow Professor's Research. Who is that guy? Well, that was a waste of a black code card if I've ever seen one. All right, we got a white code card on the screen, guys. There's your code card. Fighting Energy, Luxio, Hitmontop, Magma Basin, Duskull, a Grimer, Shinx, Bidoof, Electabuzz, and the reverse hollow is Bravara, and for your rare, it is Breloom. Non-hollow, non-hollow. Alright, we're ready to go. Let's go. Pulling it out. It's another white code card, because why not, right? Hip hip hooray. Code card on the screen. Lightning Energy, Murray's Pride, Rattle, Barry, Snowrunt, Clink, the Deadney, Cubchoo, Duskull, and the reverse hollow is Gloria. And I also got another rare, which was Mewtwo again. They need to make that one a hollow. It's a really nice card. Anything in Mewtwo is a nice card. He's one of my favorites. That's horrid. That's why I shouldn't have it moved out like that. There we are. Black code card on screen. Hopefully some pack magic here for us, guys. We get something good, a banger. Code card is on screen. 4 to the front. Fighting Energy, Gloria, Dusclops, Starmie, Purrloin, Duskull, Sneasel, Crawfish twice. Cleansing Gloves, and we got a Mimikyu VMAX. Come on, see that? Mimikyu VMAX. There we are. Very nice. We'll definitely put that with this. Next pack. Go to the room, babe. Gotta open these things carefully, bro. They tear easy. These packs actually pop pretty much open. The glue is really, really light on them, you know? We have those black code card, guys. Let's cross some fingers. Get some fire on this, guys. All right, code card on screen. I don't know how I did that wrong, but Kingler. Obviously, we got a V card, Kingler. I must have did something wrong. Fire Energy, Bear Arctic, Fracture, Team Yell's Cheer, Cast Form, Chimchar, Baltoy, Axew, Nose Pass, and another character art. A double banger pack, guys. Double banger pack. Right, that was a good one. Finally. Shoosh. I'm not even done with Fusion Strike, and I'm trying to just start this one up so I'm not behind, you know, in the game. Hold on a second. This one's fighting me. It's like a wrestling match right now. Oh, wow, this is really glued on there. Thanks a lot, Pokemon Company. Let's do it. All right. Now that I'm done wrestling with the pack itself, let's see what we got. And just like that, we're back to white code cards. Great. Sheesh. Code card on screen, everybody. Lightning Energy. I think I saw something back there, guys. Barry, Clang, Torkoal, Cubchoo, Shinx, Farfetch, Execute, grab it into Gloria in a white code card pack. Trainer Gloria. Yes, believe me, I'm happy. Believe me, guys. Ah, this is awesome. And of course, the Grimmsnarl on the end. We now have 4 packs left in our opening. So if you're still with me, type in the comments, Whoa Buddy Bear. Type Whoa Buddy Bear in the comments if you've made it this far. All right, let's see what we got. Look, I didn't tear the pack that time, guys. We have another black code card, guys. Whoa Buddy Bears in the chat. I need some Whoa Buddy Bears with the bear emoji in the chat that we get something good. Whoa Buddy Bear. Put that in the chat. Code card is on screen. Put that in the comments. 2, 3, 4. Come on, you guys. Whoa Buddy Bear in the comments. If you made it this far, I need those Whoa Buddy Bears. Please show me that you're here. Steel Energy. Tropius. Roseanne's Backup. The Blunder Policy. Encino. Carablast. Buzel. Halucha. Throw. I love Throw. BR Arctic. And woo! Look at that. That is gorgeous. Pikachu, who is you? And it's just a single banger, so I didn't get anything to go with it. But it's definitely starting to heat up. I am happy. I'm getting happier with my purchase. Because at first I was like, All right, so we got here. I'm not going to put it back in the packs. It's okay. It's just going to go up. Put it up somewhere. It's a white code card, guys, unfortunately. So here we are. But you know, we got Gloria, and she came in a white code card. So I really won't say unfortunately. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what we get. Dark Energy, Cladle, Executor, Hunting Gloves, Turtwig, Sneasel, Clink, Spirit Bomb, Axew, Ryulu for the reverse hollow, and Lapras. Not bad, not bad. I love Lapras. It's not one of my favorites, but I definitely love it as a Pokemon. You know. Last 2 packs. At least that one didn't fight me. The last one did. It's like a wrestling match over here. WWE or something. Another black gold card, guys. Come on. Let's get some Whoa Buddy Bears in the chat for some good luck. Let's pull them out. Code card on screen. Water Energy. Parisichu, Parachu, Pachirisu, whatever. Blunder Policy. Luxio. Snowrunt. Clink. The Deadney. Cubchoo. Duskull, Breloom for the reverse hollow, and a hollow Babaro. So that's not that exciting to me, but I'll take it. Anything's better than nothing, right? Something's better than nothing. That's what I say. It's one of my policies. Last pack magic. Let's see what we got. We'll open this one up on camera. I'll just do it. There we go. All right, last one got opened up on camera. That's a white code card. Let's see who ruined the party. Code card on the screen. 4 to the front. I probably did 5 that time. Yeah. Dark Energy. Ultra Ball. Tropius. Morgrim. Spirit Bomb. Pureleon. Milcery. Shinx. Impidimp. Frenzen Galler, and Wormadam was that. So that's it, guys. We are out of packs. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe for more content. Leave those comments below. If you made it here, say, Whoa Buddy Bear, I made it here in the comments to show me that you made it through the whole video. Appreciate you guys turning out, and let's just take a look at what we've got. It was quite a run. A very nice opening. There it is, guys. That's what we did. All right. I'm gone.